Hi, my name is Mike Howard. I'm Vice President of Filter Engineering here at MtronPTI. I've been in the filter business for about 40 years plus, and I'm going to talk to you today about some of our new products and how they relate to our customers' needs as software-defined radio architectures dominate new designs. As you all know, in a software-defined radio, the signal processing is converted to a digital format as soon as possible in the processing chain. Functions such as demodulation, channel filtering, and multiplexing are all done on a single FPGA chip. With the requirements for multiple sets of hardware removed, radios are now able to handle many different modulation formats covering many different frequency bands. To make full use of this capability, the front end of the radio becomes wider band and more complex. So, we're expanding our filter product portfolio to cover our customers' need for agile selectivity closer to the antenna. To protect the selected band from signals in non-required bands, switched filter banks are required. Tunable bandpass filters are needed for co-site interference protection within bands. Tunable notch filters to remove specific interferers. Switched banks of high-power cleanup filters are needed for the transmit side. The list goes on. Our original focus is on tunable filters, and we've introduced a wide range 2.3 octave digitally tuned filter, specifically intended to limit co-site interference that tunes from 225 MHz to 520 MHz. It has a 7% bandwidth with a typical loss of less than 3 dB at room temperature. Power handling is 1¼ watts with a steady state and third order intercept point exceeding 45 dBm. We're following that with a reduced range product. We've traded in some of the tuning range for improved loss, and we come up with a 2.5 dB insertion loss from 200 to 400 MHz. On the drawing board we have plans for 30 to 90 MHz product, and so also plan the products to support the transmit side. We're looking at switched filter banks, switched low-pass filter banks, 30-watt power handling, to cover the 30 to 520 MHz range. And we specialize in optimizing the performance of those filters that are hard to build and in compensating for the interactions between filters and other system components so that our customers get the best possible performance from their systems. Thank you for listening.